subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Poco is reportedly gearing up to launch its new smartphone globally as Poco X4 Pro 5G. And before they launch, the upcoming smartphone renders were surfaced online by a popular leakster EV Leaks on his Twitter account. According to leaks and other rumors, the Poco X4 Pro 5G will support a flat 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and it has a hole punch at the top center for selfie camera. The stylish rear panel of the phone looks to have an interesting camera module that carries triple camera setup along with the LED flash. The AAA cameras will include one 108-megapixel main camera, and it is expected to come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset. Apart from this, there is no other details of Poco X4 Pro 5G has leaked so far, and it is reported to launch globally on February 28th in black, blue and yellow color options. So as of now, that's all we know about the Poco X4 Pro smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.